Akalain mo nga naman ang buhay, oh. We went to Sydney last night and we're just like, and I was like, and then we walked. Kasi wala siyang passport eh, hindi niya ako ginaya eh. Kinilos ko yung atas eh, kaya, ayan. Pasabog.
Salamin channel.
Ay, nasa baba ang best manager. Amazing Shalita! Ito watching. Sister ko yan. Oh,